Africa's billionaires, the wealth. Yassine Mansour, $1.2 billion. Femi Otedola, $1.3 billion. Strive Masiyiwa, $1.3 billion. Anna Sefrioui, $1.3 billion. Youssef Mansour, $1.4 billion. Aziz Akanouch, $1.6. Christoffel Visa, $1. Othman Benjaloun, $2 billion. Mohammed Dewji, $2.2. Jani Mouton, $2.2 billion. Asad Rebrab, Mohammed Mansour, Patrice Motsi Becker, Michiel Leroux, Mike Adenuga, Nassef Sawiris, Naguib Sawiris, Nikki Oppenheimer, Abdul Samad Rabi, Johan Rupert, $16.1. Aliko Dangote, $28.5 billion. Combined African billionaire wealth, approximately $127 billion.